Yeah, hi, I'm Sue from Melbourne, Australia. And a couple of weeks ago, I attended a webinar hosted by Kerri on how to mix or master your mixed voice. And I can personally say that if you're considering attending one of these webinars, don't hesitate. You learn so much from a real enthusiastic and energetic, passionate teacher who makes you feel so at ease that you're going to hopefully reach your potential, or best potential, I should say. But so with the webinar, you obviously we're given exercises throughout the webinar, and some of them are kind of a bit fun and weird, but obviously they're there to teach us and strengthen our voice. And with the exercises, you start learning a bit about your head voice and your chest voice, and then obviously to blend them together and have that smooth transition so that you can go from head voice to chest voice and vice versa without cracking or flipping. And as singers, that's a bit of a scary skill to achieve, because I know myself personally, I'm only a hobbyist, but when I go to learn a song that has a high note, I'm like, oh, am I going to reach that? Oh. But after this webinar, I feel quite confident that if I persist with the exercises, I'll be able to feel more confident and hopefully reach those high notes sounding good. And the webinar is great in the sense that it's done in the comfort of your own home, with like-minded people globally. And there's a chat box, so you can type in questions and a Q&A at the end. And it's caters for both males and female voices. And the webinar is then given access for a month afterwards. So like myself now, I'm reviewing it and taking notes. And so I've got that as a reference. And the exercises given, as I said before, when we're learning exercises, you sort of think, well, why am I learning these? I'm saying all these weird things and opening my mouth, looking like sometimes a bit of an idiot, really. But at the end, Kerri applies it to a song. So it makes sense, the exercises you're learning, once it's applied into a song, and you think, oh, gee, I can reach that note. Oh, that makes sense now. So that's terrific. I'm sure you've seen Kerri on YouTube, and you can tell that she's just got that warmth about her. And so please don't hesitate. Seriously think about just doing it. You won't regret it. And she will be having future webinars, so you never know, I might hear from you or see from you through the chat line in the future. So good on you, Kerri. You're doing a great service to us singers, and thanks again. Bye.